Welcome to Auto Density, your home for the world's most exciting car reveals. Today we're diving into something truly spectacular, the 2026 Volkswagen Polo EV Super Beetle S. Imagine the timeless charm of the Beetle, reborn with futuristic EV technology, ultra-wide stance, and a showroom presence that screams luxury and power. But is this just another concept, or could this be the boldest Polo we've ever seen? Let's find out. Step inside and the luxury continues. A futuristic digital cockpit greets the driver with a curved OLED display, glowing EV emblem, and crystal-like ambient lighting across the cabin. The seats? Premium white leather with diamond stitching. The panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, while tinted windows keep things private and exclusive. From the dashboard to the center console, everything feels futuristic. From touch-sensitive climate controls to glowing light strips that create a spaceship-like feel inside a luxury car. From the back, the Super Beetle S looks like no other Volkswagen ever made. The ultra-wide body kit stretches outward with surreal fender flares, paired with massive off-road tires that give it an imposing stance. The polished pearl-white exterior reflects crystal lights from every angle, while sharp aerodynamic canards, enormous air intakes, and a futuristic diffuser complete its aggressive yet luxurious personality. On the rear, you'll notice the Volkswagen logo and glowing EV badge, proudly showcasing its electric DNA. And yes, the sculpted taillights, the engraved EV plate, and the muscular bumper are designed to make sure this car never blends into a crowd. Now let's talk power. The Polo EV Super Beetle S isn't just about looks, it's about presence and performance. The wide body and large alloy wheels aren't just design statements, they support stability and grip. Pair that with Volkswagen's next-gen EV platform, and you get a ride that's powerful, refined, and future-ready. This isn't just a Polo. It's a bold reimagination that combines Volkswagen's EV future with the timeless appeal of their heritage designs. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Volkswagen Polo EV Super Beetle S the boldest EV hatchback of the decade? Or just a wild dream we wish to see on the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love futuristic cars like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives, only here on Auto Density.